Rising on the small island of Slotsholmen in the heart of Copenhagen, Christiansborg Palace is one of the most important political buildings in Denmark. It stands as a rare structure that houses all three branches of government under one roof. The palace has a long and turbulent history, with multiple versions built and destroyed over time. The original castle dates back to the 12th century, but fires in 1794 and 1884 led to complete reconstructions, shaping the building seen today. Unlike many European palaces that serve only ceremonial purposes, Christiansborg is still actively used. It is home to the Danish Parliament, the Prime Minister's office, and the Supreme Court, making it the center of Denmark's political life. The palace also retains royal functions. The Danish monarch uses parts of Christiansborg for official events, receptions, and ceremonies, blending monarchy with modern democratic governance in a single location. Architecturally, the current palace reflects a Neo-Baroque style, characterized by grand halls, symmetrical design, and intricate detailing. Its tower is the tallest in Copenhagen, offering sweeping views of the city. Today, Christiansborg Palace is both a working government building and a public attraction. Visitors can explore royal reception rooms, historic ruins beneath the palace, and the iconic tower, making it a place where history and modern politics coexist.